clinical examination of the respiratory system. Added sounds. There are three added sounds, and they are wheeze, crackles, and raps. So let's look at wheeze or ronchi. Wheeze are the sounds heard with the naked ear, and the same sounds heard with a stethoscope are called ronchi. So wheeze is musical sounds produced by airway walls oscillating between the open and nearly closed position. So wheeze indicates narrowing of an airway and usually occurs mainly on expiration, but also an inspiration in very severe airway narrowing. However, in severe airway obstruction, wheeze may be absent. If one localizes a wheeze which is unaltered by coughing, then you should strongly suspect a local airway obstruction, most commonly due to a tumor or a tuberculosis induced stenosis.